Learning American English using videos and voice recordings can be an effective way to improve your language skills. Here are some tips on how to use these resources effectively. Choose videos and voice recordings that are appropriate for your skill level. For example, if you are a beginner, start with simple dialogues and conversations. Watch and listen to the videos and voice recordings multiple times. This will help you to become familiar with the pronunciation and intonation of American English. Focus on specific aspects of the language such as vocabulary, grammar, and idiomatic expressions. Make a list of new words and phrases that you learn and try to use them in your own conversations. Learning American accent is very easy. Here we had given few steps to improve. Pay attention to the body language and facial expressions of the speakers in the videos. This can help you to better understand the context and meaning of the words and phrases being used. Practice speaking along with the videos and voice recordings. This can help you to improve your pronunciation and fluency. Use online resources such as subtitles, transcripts, and pronunciation guides to supplement your learning. Set a regular schedule for watching and listening to videos and voice recordings. Consistency is key to improving your language skills. Remember that learning a new language takes time and effort, so be patient and keep practicing. With dedication and practice, you can improve your American English skills and become more confident in your ability to communicate in the language. This course helps you 100% to improve American accent. First, you observe 2 letters, words and practice by repeating am, an, as, at, be, by, do, go, he, hi, if, in, is, it, me, my, no, of, on, or, so, to, up, us, we. Play again the video and try to repeat after the voice.